Welcome to Cozy Corner Books for You. We encourage the love of reading. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment. Let's cozy up with You Matter by Christian Robinson. The small stuff, too small to see. Those who swim with the tide and those who don't. The first to go and the last. You matter. When everyone thinks you're a pest. When something is just out of reach. When everyone is too busy to help, you matter. If you fall down, if you have to start all over again, even if you are really gassy, you matter. Sometimes home is far away. Sometimes someone you love says goodbye. Sometimes you feel lost and alone, but you matter. Old and young. The first to go and the last. The small stuff, too small to see. You matter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and leave a comment. Bye for now. Let's cozy up with another book soon.